Hi, my name is Jayshawn Pearson, and I'm going to teach you how to fakie tray flip. The first step and the first trick you need to learn to performing a fakie tray flip, you need to learn how to fakie kick flip. So this is what that look like. So now that you got the fakie kick flip in there, the next step and the next move you really gotta do to performing a fakie tray flip, you gotta learn how to scoop. And this is what that look like. And the reason why I showed you that step of scooping is because the only trick you really need to do while performing a fakie tray flip is really a kick flip. So if you learn how to fakie kick flip and learn how to scoop at the same time while you're going backwards, you'll perform this trick very well. So now that you got the fakie kick flip in there and you got the scoop in there, the next move you need to make is actually landing the fakie tray flip. So this is what that look like. So now that I showed you a fakie tray flip, foot positions for this trick is really simple. All you gotta do is place your foot, your kicking foot, like this, like I got my foot placed on the board. And you wanna have your kicking foot placed in the middle of the board, like this. You don't wanna have it far up like this to where you can't flick as much when you scooping the board at the same time. And you wanna have your popping foot placed on the board like this, on the edge of the tail when you're performing a fakie tray flip. So if you put your foot like this, like I got it, it'll give you a better pop and scoop when performing a fakie tray flip. If you have your toes kind of hanging off the edge of the tail like that, it'll give you a better scoop when performing a fakie tray flip. So the secret of performing a fakie tray flip is all you really got to do is learn a fakie kick flip, and you got to also learn how to scoop the right way. If you add the fakie kick flip and the scoop at the same time, you'll perform the fakie tray flip the correct way. So if you find this video helpful to you, don't forget to share it with a homie or a friend that might need this tip on helping them performing a fakie tray flip. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. Catch you in the next video.